Sugar! Close your cabinet. Close your door open.
Yeah, that's my cabinet. Don't.
Hi, Angel. Sino katabi mo? Eto si Choco. Si Choco. Ito naman si...
Ito na, Scooby. Hindi kasi baka may store.
Bulldog. Okay. Sige na, kanta ka na for me.
Baliktad yan. Baliktad yan.
Ay, baliktad ba? Sorry.
Sige, kanta na. Ano daw?
Sige na, kantahan mo kami. Any song na lang.
They can say anything they want to say, try to bring me down, but I will not allow anyone to succeed hanging clouds over me, and they can try hard to make me feel that I don't matter at all, but I refuse to fall in what I believe, all the faith in my dreams, 'cause there's a light in me that shines brightly. They can try, but they can't take that away from me. Oh, they can do anything they want to you if you let them in, but they won't never win if you cling to your pride and just push them aside. See, I have learned that I need a peace. I own something in my soul that they cannot possess. So I won't be afraid, and the darkness will fade. 'Cause there's a light in me that shines brightly. Yes, they can try, but they can't take that away from me. Tama na! Sige, chorus na lang. No, they can't take this precious love that always love inside me. Suddenly, download will guide me where I need to go. You can't say anything they want to say. Try to bring me down, but I won't face the crowd. I will rise steadily, satisfy over me, 'cause there's a light in me that shines brightly. They can try, but they can't take that away from me.
Harap! Sa kaliwa! Harap! Yan ba kaliwa mo? Yan ba ang kaliwa? Tumaliko! Harap! Kanta! Balikan mo na lang yung chorus kasi gusto ko yan eh.
Ayoko.
Gusto ko yun! Gusto ko yun! Gusto ko yun!
They can say anything they want to say, try to bring me down, but I won't face the ground. I will rise steadily, hanging clouds over me, 'cause
they can try hard to make me feel.
Sabon natin.
Usapin natin, Bisaya at Tagalog.
Sabon natin yan. Sabon natin, promise.
Sige, mamaya.
They can...
Nakalang kanta. Good chorus. Uy!
natin.